Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to restrict who can reply to your tweet that you have posted on your timeline on the twitter.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Then you should go to your profile that you can find in the left side column of the screen and select the tweet that you want to restrict who can reply to it. So click on this more button at the top, and after that tap on the fourth button, change who can reply, and here you have three options such as anyone or everyone, then people you follow, or only you. So tap on the relevant one, and as you can see down below, its status will be changed and updated automatically, so feel free to change it anytime by tapping on the same button and select from these three options. So as you can see, it's also marked below your post. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.